This is a 2020 Chevy Tahoe Premier with literally only 500 miles on it. So just, let's just say just under 600 miles. Iridescent pearl tri-coat paint, sunroof, navigation, DVD, 20s, parking sensors, all the good stuff. So we're going to walk around it, go through some of the features. Just a few things to notate though. Has a small piece of paint missing here, probably from the fender moving around, as well as right here on the edge. Okay, point out just any of the things I saw. And then same for this side, there's a small dent and a little scrape. Most of that stuff will come right off. That's not very deep, but you will have like a small dent there. So I don't know if you can see that or not. And the same thing right here on the edge of the fender, just a small little piece of paint missing. As far as condition though, that's the only thing I could see. I could have missed something. But just to start off with that, it's a non-smoker. I mean, very clean inside and out. Got the 20-inch rims, chrome running boards. It is proximity entry on all 4 doors. Second row captains, black leather. Got the sunroof, rear DVD. Captain chairs. The back of the console has heated seats, a 12-volt port, 110-volt, and climate control. You can see it has a cargo shade cover. When the 3rd row is up, the cover will not fit, so you do have to take it down like they did here and store it in your garage. Unless you keep the 3rd row down all the time, then you can't keep the cover. Like I said, backup camera, backup sensors, rear cross traffic alert. You got the power lift gate. You have the power folding 3rd row up and down and power release 2nd. Not going to do them though because of that cargo shade cover is in the way. Power windows, locks, and side mirrors. Got the child locks on the doors. Has the power folding side mirrors as well, right here. Got the driver memory seat package. BOSE audio. Got the power driver seat. Everything's perfect as far as the seat goes. Honestly, inside as well, I haven't seen anything that stands out. As far as condition goes, that should be notated. 552 miles. Forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth, rain sensing wipers, power adjustable pedals, lane change alert, parking sensors, 4-wheel drive, automatic headlights, power adjustable steering column, backup camera, built-in navigation, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto. As far as safety features go, you have the safety alert seat, forward collision with automatic braking, park assist, rear cross traffic alert, lane change alert, as well as in the side mirrors there is the blind spot detection, tri-zone automatic climate control, heated and ventilated front seats. And like I said, the 2nd row is heated. Push button start. 2 USB ports. 12-volt port. Got the wireless charging pad. There's the headphones for the DVD. 12-volt port, 2 USBs, and an auxiliary. Go Going up top, you have your OnStar, auto-dimming rearview mirror, garage door opener, power lift gate, sunroof, map lights, and your theft deterrent on-off system there. And then looking at the key fob, unlock, lock, remote start, power lift gate, all that good stuff. And you do have the wheel locks and your owner's manual.